everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Monday, November the 25th. Okay, let's take a look at what got filled on this morning after placing these trades on Friday on Oxy and FANG. They are both oil related stocks. Oxy, Occidental Petroleum, there's a stock. As the trade, Oxy, I entered a vertical, and it's a bullish vertical. And I'm gonna just click on the plus here to see where I am. Nice. And the other one is FANG, F-A-N-G, and I'm gonna delete this. It's a diagonal. And FANG is Diamondback Enterprises. If you want to see what the nature of the business is, which is not revealed here, go to Analyze and click on Fundamentals. And that tells you what Diamondback Energy does. So it's a natural gas, and independent oil and natural gas company. All right, easy. Two oil stocks. Let's take a look at the Analyze tab. Click on Add Simulated Trades. No, let's take the risk profile. This is where we are right now, and 77.313 is today's price, and we have a little bit of a profit. Good. All right. If you want to take a look at the stock's performance in general or your trades, you're gonna get rid of some. It would be a good idea to always get those winners out of the way. So we have Twitter and we have Verizon. Also, we made some gains on eBay. Not that I'm closing, but it would be nice to take a look. Twitter, TWTR, Verizon, VZ, and DG got a little bit of a loss there today. Okay, let's take a look at Twitter first. Chart, TWTR, and yeah, looks really good. Making good move. It's gonna go into this gap here. I'm not planning to hold it forever. So, and we have a vertical spread, and you could start thinking about getting out of the trade when you have 50% of your money made. So 119 plus 119 is 240 thereabouts, and so we haven't gotten half of it yet. And I think that we are going to move a little higher, somewhere in the gap. So I'm going to let it ride for now. Also consider what the expiration is, 27th of December. That's quite a ways to go. So if you have half of your money made in the first 3 days, well, take your profits. What the heck? Okay, let's take a look at eBay. And eBay is another vertical. And here again, let me delete this so there's no confusion. We have $327 invested. I want to make 273 in the best of scenarios, 273, and we are 76 right now. But it's today it woke up strongly and it's pulled back a little bit, but it looks still very good. So I'm not going to touch that. eBay, Verizon, and this is moving down. I think it's in a downtrend, and that's your peak. Let me show you one tool that you can use is this. And I will help you see where the trend is. Not working. These drawing tools sometimes give me a hassle. There you go. It's ignoring me. Okay, supposedly I'm clicking here and then dragging down, but it's not working. So I'm just going to move it like that. Okay, not important. I'm just gonna get that out of the way. I just believe that the downtrend will reinitiate on Verizon. So I have a very straight trade, and again here you calculate how much you have made. I have made 120 and my maximum is 214, so I have exceeded half of the expected returns, and the expiration is December 20. So to look at how many days, click on add trades, look at December, that's 25 days from now. So you have to balance, do I want to wait a little longer? I think it looks bearish, and I think it's going to continue down, and I'm not in a hurry to get out. Okay, so those are the things you have to balance out. How much longer you have to hold. You don't want to hold for too long, because the longer you hold, things can go wrong. Try to take profit when you can, that kind of thing. And if you have made half of the money in 2 days, get out. DG, sorry. DG. Yes, this one is another bearish trade, and it's a little bit of a weak bounce. I expected stock to go down, but earnings coming up, you don't want to go over the earnings if you don't have to. Let's take a look at the Analyze tab, risk graph. I'm here. Okay, so I don't think the stock is going to move much in either direction unless there's very bad news before earnings. Otherwise, earnings is going to be my indicator. So I'm going to hold on to that. Okay, look at the expiration, 29th of November. Is earnings coming up before that? That's an important thing to figure out. Well, turns out my expiration will come this week, is expiring this week. So I'm counting the days, and earnings is not going to get in my way. So I'm going to hold it because we have only a few days to go. And guess what? I suspect, because earnings are steady, that this stock is going to give me my returns very quickly in the days to come. Don't wait until the end of the week, though. That would be a mistake. Okay, today I want to trade. I was considering Under Armour as a bullish trade, but conditions were not good in terms of volatility, so I'm gonna skip it. But if you find another trade that you like, please, why don't you describe it? Put it in the comments below. What would be your trade on Under Armour? I couldn't trade it, so comment on that. Let's discuss it. And then there is Sina, and this SINA Corporation. This I want to trade. I just got a buy signal here. And let's take an Analyze tab here, and I'm playing a diagonal. Here I'm risking $297 to make a maximum possible of 311. Okay, usually you have this diagonals jump way ahead, and then you end up somewhere here. You can hold this for until the expiration of the long calls and roll over the long puts, and that's what I intend to do if the stock cooperates. Okay, so I'm doing 2 lots, so that adds up to 297. Okay, so let's send that off, confirm and send, and bingo, that's all there is. That's all for today. So remember to make your comments on what trade would you place on Under Armour, or simply tell me you wouldn't touch it, or you would buy the stock. Whatever you want, please comment. I'll be delighted to hear what you have to say. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining me for this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.PutCallGenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.